A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this evening, let us take a look on what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. Neville Muchangwa, the son of the minister in the government of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, as well as the son of the spokesperson of ZANU-PF, was reportedly arrested this afternoon. And it's a very developing story, very interesting story, which is actually developing at this point in time. And it said that we have sons of big wigs, sons of people who are supposed to be protecting the integrity of the currency, the integrity of the nation of Zimbabwe and its reputation. We have seen them getting arrested, and it's said to Zimbabwe. So let us take a look onto this very important story, which is actually trending at this moment in time. A lot of people have reported about it, and Prophet Comrade Madzibaba Adamski says Neville Muchangwa arrested as tension between Christopher and Emmerson intensified. Remember, Christopher Muchangwa was removed from the War Veterans Ministry as he is one of the most feared men at this point in time in the nation of Zimbabwe when it comes to the issues of succession. They, at a certain point in time, they were in agreement, they were happy together, but this time around, they are after each other and they are actually fighting each other because of interests. This is Neville Muchangwa, who is right here into the picture. So let us get to a more important view. ZimLive said Neville Muchangwa, Women Affairs Minister Monica Muchangwa, and ZANU-PF spokes Chris Muchangwa arrested for illegal forex trading, Newsday is reporting. On Monday, Neville posted this WhatsApp status, understood by some as black market ZiG's exchange rate. So this is Neville Muchangwa, and it's saved as N1. And this status which he posted 18.75. And a lot of people are thinking it was a rate which he was actually posting. Also, Neville Muchangwa, he has been on the spotlight for distributing allegedly Starlink kits across Zimbabwe. And he was one of the people who are reported to have been smuggling Starlink kits into the nation of Zimbabwe. And the regime is not happy because of such movements. And Karina Mujati says, good afternoon, Zimbabwe. Neville Muchangwa has been arrested. Akaura azipigwa. Ndizvo zvinoitika when your parents azvikorobo. Extra darkness. Okay. Masquera say Makawads, Christopher and Monica Muchangwa. This is Karina Mujati actually mocking the Muchangwa family. And it said, Matigari says, Neville Muchangwa arrested for illegal forex trading, and they seem to be very happy. These are ZANU-PF Warakash, for EDs, and they are very happy. And this is the news trending everywhere. The son of Women Affairs in the nation of Zimbabwe, the Women Affairs Minister, the son is involved in illegal forex trading. And it's said that we have such people actually destroying the nation as it is. So this is what Muchangwa said. ZANU-PF is fully behind the newly introduced Zimbabwe gold currency, given that it is backed by gold, which has always been the mainstay of the country's economy. And this is what Christopher Muchangwa said a few weeks ago or a few days ago. But this time around, we are seeing his son being involved in these things. Christopher Muchangwa in this video was ranting that it's the opposition which was destroying the new currency. But right now, all evidence is actually pointing onto his own son, his own blood. Ndo parikuya evidence, yes. This makes us ask this very important question: who is for who? Who is against Zimbabwe and who is for Zimbabwe? And you can actually see that vaene vacho vanenge vachiti suve nevenyika ndo vanenge vachitori varidzi vari kuputsa nyika imwe chete. And it's said that we have people with such mindsets, very primitive leaders, which we have in the nation of Zimbabwe. And it's not surprising to hear these people being arrested. So instead of them approving things like Starlink. They are working so hard to make sure that Starlink is not approved in Zimbabwe. Yet behind the scenes, they are actually selling Starlink kits. So apparently, Mnangagwa is going after Chris Muchangwa's son because Chris is supposedly part of the Chiwenga faction. Last week, Muchangwa straight up asked why Mnangagwa is using dudes like Chivayo and Java to undermine Vice President Chiwenga. Talk about steering the pot. So this is another thing which is being talked by Madube right here. She's giving a different revelation and is saying Muchangwa belongs to the Chiwenga faction. Okay, what are the probabilities of Muchangwa belonging to this faction? There is a great possibility that if Chiwenga becomes president in ZANU-PF, Muchangwa would become a vice president. This is another point of view which I've seen a lot of analysts who are trying to connect the dots, saying Kuti Chiwenga can appoint Muchangwa as the vice president in the case Kuti, because they were taking a look at umwe ZANU-PF angamira ndeupi as vice president in the absence of Emmerson Mnangagwa and in the presence of Chiwenga. And people said none other than Muchangwa, and to the Matabeleland region, then they will need to find another person who is going to be representing from that angle. And another person who can be possibly a vice president is Opam Chinguri, who will be representing the Mashona people. And also in the Matabeleland region, you see another person rising from that angle as well. And it's the same thing all over. Things are not well. And what is happening now is typical Orokufaranganga Yanobata Mai Chatuaro. Anyway, is or was Neva Muchangwa one of the directors of Sputnik Investments? Okay, this is a very important issue because there is an issue of Sputnik which is also allegedly involved in these illegal tradings of foreign currency. So Neva was arrested today at his Mount Pleasant home in Harare for illegal trading in Forex. This is what Newsday said. And this ZANU-PF from Rakashi is celebrating this arrest and says Zig's first big fish casualty. It is reported that Neva Muchangwa has been arrested today at his Mount Pleasant home for illegally trading in foreign currency. And they're actually happy with this development. Okay, so everybody has reported extensively about this story, and it's a sad story, a sad developing story, that we are calling for these people to actually accept the currency which they created. Yet they are using their sons to actually manipulate the same currency. So, Ndomamira Zakaita, this is the update which we have for you. Neva Muchangwa, the son of Chris and Monica Muchangwa, was arrested today for foreign currency dealings and illegal trading. So it's said that we have people who think like that. We said that we have people who are still sabotaging the only currency which they introduced themselves. It is what it is, as I always say, and it's my pleasure being right here with you. And thank you very much for the support. Thank you very much for the for your coming here. Please keep on subscribing, commenting, as well as sharing. Let us meet in other episodes as well as other broadcasts.